Hello everyone! Welcome to our German A2 grammar series. Today we are on the second lesson of the 8-part series we previously mentioned. In today's lesson we will cover the following topics. 1. Konjunktion. 2. Adjektivdeklination. Konjunktionen. Conjunctions are words that connect clauses or sentences. In German, conjunctions play an important role in forming complex sentences. There are two main types of conjunctions, coordinating and subordinating. Nebenordnende Konjunktionen. These conjunctions connect clauses or words of equal importance. They do not change the word order of the sentences they connect. The main coordinating conjunctions are und, oder, aber, denn, sondern. Examples. Ich habe einen Hund und er ist sehr lieb. Möchtest du Tee oder Kaffee? Unterordnende Konjunktion. These conjunctions connect a main clause with a subordinate clause and affect the word order, causing the verb in the subordinate clause to go to the end. The main subordinating conjunctions are das, while, when, das, meaning. Used to introduce a subordinate clause that provides additional information about a noun or verb in the main clause. Examples. Ich weiß, dass du müde bist. Es ist wichtig, dass du pünktlich bist. Er hofft, dass das Wetter morgen schön wird. Weil, meaning, used to introduce a subordinate clause that explains the reason for the action in the main clause. Examples. Er bleibt zu Hause, weil er krank ist. Wir gehen nicht schwimmen, weil das Wasser zu kalt ist. Sie ist glücklich, weil sie eine neue Arbeit gefunden hat. Wenn, meaning, used to introduce a conditional clause, if, or a temporal clause, when. Examples. Wenn es regnet, bleiben wir zu Hause. Wenn ich Zeit habe, besuche ich meine Großeltern. Wenn du das Buch gelesen hast, gib es mir bitte zurück. Obwohl, meaning, used to introduce a subordinate clause that contrasts with the main clause. Examples. Obwohl er müde ist, geht er zur Arbeit. Obwohl es kalt war, gingen wir spazieren. Obwohl sie viel zu tun hat, nimmt sie sich Zeit für ihre Freunde. Als, meaning. Used to introduce a subordinate clause that refers to a specific event in the past. Examples. Als ich ein Kind war, spielte ich jeden Tag draußen. Als wir in Berlin waren, besuchten wir das Brandenburger Tor. Als er ankam, war die Party schon vorbei. Guys, keep watching until the end because after the exercises, we will start the second part of the lesson. Stay with us and keep watching. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate subordinating conjunction. Exercise 2. Translate the following sentences to German using the correct subordinating conjunctions. Exercise 3. Reorder the sentences to practice word order with subordinating conjunctions. Answers. Adjective declension in German depends on the gender, number, and case of the noun they describe, as well as the article that precedes the noun. There are 3 types of adjective declensions: weak, mixed, and strong. Schwache declination, used when the adjective is preceded by a definite article, der, die, das. Examples. Der große Mann, die schöne Frau. Das kleine Kind, gemischte Deklination. Used when the adjective is preceded by an indefinite article, ein. Examples. Ein großer Mann. Eine schöne Frau. Ein kleines Kind. Starke Deklination. Used when there is no article or when the adjective follows a quantity word, for example, viel, wenig. Examples. Großer Mann. Schöne Frau. Kleines Kind. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate conjunction. Exercise 2. Match the adjectives to the correct noun form. Exercise 3. Reorder the sentences to practice word order with subordinating conjunctions. Now, answers. Endlich. Thank you for joining us in this second episode of our German A2 grammar series. We hope you found the explanations and exercises on conjunctions and adjective declension helpful. Practice these concepts regularly to enhance your understanding and usage of German grammar. Stay tuned and join us in the next episode where we will cover relative clauses, relative Sätze, and future tense, future one. See you next time.